Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log out of your forex.com account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. From your main homepage of forex.com account, if you'd like to sign out or log out, you'll need to go and click on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. You'll be able to see a button that says log out in the pop-up. Give it a click and you'll be able to sign out or log out of your forex.com accounts quick and easy. To log in back again, you'll need to go to the top of the screen and click this little login link and follow the on-screen prompts. Enter your credentials for your forex.com account, and once you have the right credentials, you'll be able to get back and access your account right away. That is how you can easily sign out or log out of your forex.com account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.